Hi guys, my name is Bree and I'm your choreographer for this year's Knights of North Castle music videos. Right now we're about to learn the dance for our preschool song, Jesus Loves Me, the remix. Alright, so please just remember to mirror me this whole time, alright? So that means if I raise my right hand, you raise your left hand. If I raise my left foot, you're picking up your right foot. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into this. It's super easy. At the beginning of the song, okay, we're going to start off down on the floor, crisscross applesauce, okay? And so we're going to be singing the regular Jesus Loves Me. We're going to be Jesus loves me, this I know. And you're going to be smiling and super happy like you're sitting in Sunday school as a little kid, because these are preschoolers, all right? So we're used to this. Jesus loves me, this I know. And then suddenly when the music changes, you're going to look around and you're going to be like, wait a minute, it's time to have a dance party. So you're going to pop on up and you're going to start jumping and clapping with your friends. And then we're going to do Jesus loves me. So you take your middle finger, touch the palm, other middle finger, touch your other palm. So Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Then we're going to do little ones to him belong. They are weak, but he is strong, okay? And then we're going to say, and I just want to dance, dance, dance. So you're going to start and you're going to jump to your left, okay? So we're going to jump and I just want to dance, dance, dance. And you're just going to do your own goofy dance, whatever you want to do. If you want to pump your hands in the air, if you want to spin in a circle, you can do whatever you feel like, all right? So we're going to do I just want to dance, dance, dance. And I will shout, sorry, not this. We're just going to go straight to, and I will shout and clap my hands. 3 claps, okay? 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna jump to the right now. Same thing. And I just want to dance, dance, dance. We'll shout and clap my hands. All right? And then we're gonna say, yes, Jesus loves me. And so we're gonna take our hand and we're gonna go, yes, okay? Jesus loves me. Point to yourself, and then again, yes, Jesus loves me. All right? And then the Bible tells me so. And that's it. We're just gonna keep doing that. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. Then we're gonna bum, 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 bum. Jesus loves me. And we just repeat the same thing. Super simple. You guys can have lots and lots of fun with this and just be totally goofy and have a great time. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and try it with the music.
Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong. They are weak, but he is strong. Hey, come on! Put your hands together now. Yeah. Let's go. Jesus loves me, this I know. Jesus loves me.